Hello everyone, this is my capital choice, and today we are going to talk about cryptocurrencies. In recent days, there is a lot of noise over cryptocurrencies in India as well as globally also. Many people are asking what to do about cryptocurrencies. Are they invest in cryptocurrencies or they are stay away from cryptocurrencies? So this is just small talk about cryptocurrency. What are cryptocurrencies? How it is working and on what this is the price discovery happen for cryptocurrency. That things are very complicated or that need time to explain. For that I will come up with another video, or you can refer another videos on YouTube, or you can just search or Google, so you can get plenty of information about it. So I'm just today giving just idea about what you need to do about cryptocurrencies. So first of all, we are going with this RBI circular in 2018 April month 6th date. RBI issue one circular. In that, RBI saying a prohibition on dealing in virtual currencies or cryptocurrencies or digital currencies. So because there is a lot of issues or crypto, there is no regulator or what kind of deals happen in cryptocurrency and how it is running, how trading is going in cryptos, how clearing members are working. There is no idea to anyone how it is happen. So initially RBI issued this circular to all commercials, cooperative, payment and small finance bank. Do not deal in virtual currencies at any form or at any condition. So this is first official circular on cryptocurrencies or virtual currencies from RBI. It was in 2018. So after that, someone goes into court and again that circular, and court review that matter, and after court review, court issue some statements about cryptocurrencies or virtual currencies, and after that result, where petition number 528 of 2018, Internet and Mobile Association of India versus RBI. So Honorable Supreme Court said no longer the previously issued circular will be no longer relevant and instructed to RBI to take some steps. So after that decision of court, RBI come up with new circular where RBI clearly mentioning a bank as well as other entities addressed above may however continue to carry out customer due diligence process in line with regulations governing standard for know your customer, which is KYC, and anti-money laundering means AML, combating financing of terrorism, and obligation of regulated entities under Prevention of Money Laundering Act PMLA 2002, in addition to ensuring compliance with relevant provision under FEMA, which is Foreign Exchange Management Act, for overseas remittance. So in this circular, RBI taking some steps and going for some KYC process and AML and other process for onboarding client on cryptocurrencies platform. So what this is mean? RBI want to all banks or any entity which is dealing with cryptocurrency, they want put some KYC process and anti-money laundering process and other acts. So there is a no any hamper to retail clients or scams in cryptocurrency or virtual currencies. So what is mean of this both circular? Initially RBI prohibited dealing in virtual currency, but after that when court instructed to RBI has taken some steps to regulate the virtual currencies. On screen you can able to see this banning of cryptocurrency and regulation of official digital currency bill in 2019. But this bill was not passed in our parliament, so this bill is no longer relevant now. So the matter of banning of cryptocurrency is over. And in this 2021 winter session of parliament, government will come up with bill, this cryptocurrency and regulation of official digital currency bill 2021. So you can able to conclude, or we can able to conclude, RBI or government didn't want to ban any cryptocurrency, but to avoid any scams or any unethical practice in cryptocurrencies, they want to ban. So they will come up with some regulations, and we can know that regulation after bill passed in the parliament. So till now, what you want to do in for cryptocurrencies? There is a many platform where you can deal with cryptos, but at first instance, I want to tell you about just brief about 2008 financial crisis, which is due to MBS, due to mortgage backed securities. it is debt securities, and which highly traded in the US market at that time. But for that instrument, US Fed, means Federal Reserve, or US regulating body, which is SEC, denied to regulate that instrument, and the bubble was such big. You know all about 2008 financial crisis. So what we can learn from that crisis: if there is no regulator for any security or any type of asset class or investment class, you have to stay away from that investment class, because there is no regulator, so there is more chances to scam in that particular asset class or security. So you have to stay away from cryptocurrencies. But if you have adequate capital, or if you don't want to be back in the race, simply you can go for cryptocurrency, but just deploy your capital. If such capital will not recover from that investment or trade, then you didn't have any impact on your financial situation. So you can just allocate 3-4% of your capital for crypto. Even the value will vanish for that capital. Your financial wealth or financial health will not hamper. So just wait and watch for cryptocurrencies stand of government, and wait for the act will come in this session. Just wait for that act. And there is a simple thing: in capital market, we are just here for the making profit. So we don't have any effect from which instrument we are going to make money. If you are making money through equity, FNO, or currency, or commodities, no worry. So here our target is only making profits from any instrument. So if currently cryptocurrency are not regulated, so we no need to enter for that. We have other instrument, we can trade and invest in other asset class. So this update for today. More update about cryptocurrencies, I will come up with another video, and what is cryptocurrencies, how it's working. For that also I am come up with another video. In that videos I will discuss detail about cryptocurrencies, because there is a lot of noise over recent period on cryptocurrencies, and many people requested what is your view on cryptocurrency. So that's why I make hurry and make this video to people know my stand on cryptocurrencies. So thank you, bye bye.